Welcome to Mama Lizzie's Kitchen. Today, we will be making avocado ice cream using 3 ingredients. Let's start! Here are the ingredients: 3 small avocado, 2 cups whipping cream, 1 can condensed milk. First, slice the avocado in half and remove pits. Mash the avocado using a food processor or blender. Add the condensed milk into the mashed avocado. Blend it well to make a smooth avocado puree. In another bowl, whip the cream using the electric mixer. Start from medium to high about 5 to 7 minutes or until firm peaks form. Like this one. Once done, pour the avocado puree in the whipping cream. Blend it well about 2 minutes. Avocado ice cream is almost done. Transfer it into the container and freeze overnight.
A few moments
Here
later.
is our avocado ice cream. Enjoy!